First, search your idol name. Yearbook. You can choose the with uniform photo already, or if you can edit with different uniform like me, just choose straight head. You'll need 2 different photos. Now go to my latest shorts upload, then go to comment section. Click the link, then save the photos. Then I go to PicsArt to edit the photo I saved. Search blue plain background. I use this baby blue, then I crop it to 3:4. Then I add the uniform and the photo of Jennie. But PicsArt doesn't allow to capture it. This is the result. Sorry, I can't show how I did this. Then I do it also to Jennie's second photo. I want the first and second photo to have the same uniform, so I edit it. Go to Capcut, then add the 2 photos. Now add the audio we will use. You can save the audio in my shorts video. Add the yearbook overlay from the drive. Chroma key, intensity 80. Now add text, color, black, font, Larkin. Adjust the size like the size beside it, then adjust its position. Full duration. Add another text or their counts. I just get Jennie's counts on her solo. Make it smaller than her name, then full its duration. Split the text between the 2 clips, then change the second text. Now make the clips black and white. Now export. Then add it as a new project. Add animation. Fade in equals 1 OS. Add effect. Camera shake. Equals speed and range 8. Adjust. Vignette 25. Sharpen 40. We're done. Thank you for watching.